What's up guys, Mr. Automotive here. I'm going to use a start plug gap tool to show you guys. This is the meters. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, meters and inches. Some people use the meters and the inches, but my opinion, whatever. Okay, you're just going to put this groove in the middle, right? So, see what I'm doing? Let's see how. Okay, this measurement for this start plug is right there. If I want it to get to here, yeah, right there, I push up a little bit. It's right there. Make a difference. And let me show you. Now I got that. If it needs a little bit more gapping, go ahead and do it like this. That's cool. Or you see this little groove, or you can just somehow do like this and then do like that, but I got a keychain on here, so. But you can also do this if you have too much. Tap it with a hammer or something like that, make it goes down. If you yeah. So it's on almost 60, like almost, yeah. Let's do it like a little bit more. See? Well, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit that like button, and please comment. Thank you, and hit that bell.